Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to adjust display brightness in your Lenovo Ideapad 330s. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be buy this laptop recently and you are confused how to reduce or increase the display brightness. So in order to do that, you can easily press in your Lenovo Ideapad. There is a F11 key and F12 key. So if you click that F11 key, your display brightness is going to be reduced. And if you click this plus button, your display brightness is going to be increased. So in this way, you can easily adjust your display brightness in your Lenovo Ideapad. Also, there is another way to adjust display brightness in your Lenovo Ideapad. For that, you need to go in your device, just search over there and then type here brightness, BRIGHT. You will find here change display. You can see easily click here change display level. After click over there, you will see there will be a new screen appear where you can see change brightness for the built-in display. You can easily readjust the brightness just like this, how much you want. Also, if you want to enable night mode, you can easily turn on. That means whenever in your country area, the place you are right now, when that's going to be evening, and it's automatically going to be your device going to be enable night light. So within this way, you can easily either you can turn it off, and within this way you can easily readjust display brightness in your Lenovo Ideapad 330s. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.